Hey everyone, welcome back to AI XB Evolve, where we explore the cutting edge of AI tools that fuel your creativity. In today's video, we'll dive into how you can create professional quality music in just a few clicks with a tool called Mbubert, your ultimate text-to-music generator. Ready to make some music magic? Let's get started. Mbubert is an AI-powered music generator that allows you to create custom tracks with just a text prompt. It's perfect for content creators, musicians, or anyone who needs unique, royalty-free music. So here's how it works. First, head over to Mbubert, which I've linked in the description below. Once you're there, all you need to do is follow 3 simple steps. 1. Enter your prompt. You can type in anything. Let's try something fun. I'll go with sunny vibes. 2. Set the duration. I'm choosing 30 seconds for this demo, but you can create tracks as long or as short as you like. 3. Click Generate Track. And now, let the AI do its magic. And just like that, we have our custom track. Let's give it a listen. Not bad, right? You can download the track directly, or if you want something a bit different, hit Generate Similar to tweak the vibe. One of the coolest features of Mbubert is that you can customize the genre, mood, or activity to match exactly what you're looking for. Let's switch it up and go with something more energetic like an EDM mix. Now, I've set the mood to energetic and the genre to EDM. Let's see what we get. Check this out. With just a few clicks, we've created an upbeat EDM track that's ready to use in any project. So there you have it. Mbubert makes it super easy to generate custom AI-created music with just a few inputs. Whether you're creating a podcast, video content, or just want some background music, this tool has you covered. Let me know in the comments what type of music you generate with Mbubert. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to AIXB Evolve, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest AI tools and tech tips. Thanks for watching.